Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode and also get rid of a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. Now, as you've seen, I do have a screen lock set. I'll be proceeding with this method when the device is actually locked. But before I do so, I'm gonna quickly mention a couple important things. So number one, if you are logged into a Google account, or Google or Samsung account, either one of those. So if you have anything right here, or if we scroll down and navigate to, where is it? There we go, accounts. And you have any accounts added right here. If you have anything here, and you have a screen lock, then the device will become FRP locked. And just to explain what that is, it's a verification method that blocks you from using your device after the reset is finished. So it will force you to verify one of the two methods. So either your screen lock, which, assuming you don't know, only leaves you with one method, which would be the account, either Samsung or Google account. So that is one of the things that you will need to verify. Now, typically I will be making a video on how you can just bypass this and then completely remove it, but unfortunately at the time of recording this, Samsung got a new update, security patch. So if we go into About Phone, and the security patch that I have right now is security patch, this one from December 1st of 2022, and here we have the other one, security software version. This one is, I believe, the Samsung ones, but anyway, still December 2022. So at the time of recording this, I have not found a way to bypass this yet. It's already 2023, like almost 4 months into it. So yeah, so keep that in mind. If there will be a bypass later on down the line, I'll be obviously making a video on how you can get rid of it, get rid of the protection. But at the time of recording this, I have no way of doing so. So this will just strictly be removing the screen lock and only screen lock. If you have Google accounts, your device becomes locked. If you don't, then it will remove it and you don't have to verify anything. But with Google accounts, you will need to verify one of the accounts. So keep that in mind. Anyway, now starting off with the actual bypass, I'm gonna lock the device and I'm gonna progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So because this is Samsung, we will need to forcibly turn it off, which we do by holding power key and volume down. But before we do so, you want to plug it in. So grab the cable, connect it to your computer, which for me it's already connected. I'm gonna bring up the volume just so you can hear it connect, hopefully. Or not, because the cable is... yes, it's the Huawei cable. Now I'm gonna actually try it, maybe it will work. It doesn't really... I don't think it needs to connect to... We'll see. If not, I'm gonna just go grab a different cable. So anyway, like I mentioned, we're gonna hold power key and volume down. Now once the phone turns off, you want to then switch from volume down to volume up while still holding power key. Now another thing, I recommend interacting with the display so you can see when you're holding the two buttons, so you can see when the phone actually turns off. Right now, so volume up now. From here, you want to let go of the power key once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo like this one. And judging by how long it's turning on, I am pretty certain that it will just go back to Android. So I'm gonna go grab a different cable. So be back in a second. Okay, so I got a different cable. Hopefully this one will work. And yeah, like I thought, it just booted normally into Android. So let's unplug this one, get rid of it because it's garbage, and let's try it again. There we go. So it did connect to my computer right now. So again, same as before, power key and volume down. Now I'm just kind of interacting with the display just so it won't time out. Once the screen turns off, that means that the phone turns off. And there we go, we have Samsung Galaxy. Oops, I held it just for too long. Let's try it again. There we go. And there we go. Now once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, like I mentioned before, let go of the power key. If you hold it for too long, as I did, it turns off the device, basically repeats the, reboots it, and then I guess you have to start holding it again and then let go of it once you see the Galaxy logo once more. Now once you're in the Android recovery mode, you want to use a volume keys to navigate through the options in order to select wipe data and factory reset. Then confirm it with power key. Select the second option. Typically I think it should say factory reset, but for some reason it's in Russian. Whatever. So we're gonna select the second option, confirm it. I don't know if I mentioned, but you confirm using power button. And as you can see at the bottom, once you confirm that, it should say data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again to initiate a reboot, and this will continue factory resetting your device in the background. Now it will probably take about a minute, 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.